Hey everybody, this is the Diva from the DivaInstitute. Today I'm wearing my shirt that actually says DivaInstitute on it, so I don't have to worry about holding up a piece of paper because I am the DivaInstitute. This is my entry for your B-Slap Cosmetics glamorous animal print. And this is what I chose to do. I chose 3 different prints today. And kind of just did it all the way across with a lot of golds and bronzes and glitter and lots of fun. I had a lot of fun doing this. I found this pic on the internet that it was like a square and it had 4 different animal prints in it. And so I just chose those prints, and this was the pattern that I chose to put them in. And I hope you guys like it. This is my contest entry for Eily311, I think it is. Yeah, Bitch Slap Cosmetics contest. Glamorous animal print. Okay, hope you guys like this look. Alright, bye.